Hi, I'm Tristan Ziegler with Hazelcast, and in this video, I'll show you how to scale a job so that data processing is done on more than one Hazelcast node. The tutorial I'll be using is available online at the link in the description below for this video. One of the pros of using a distributed stream engine like Hazelcast is the ability to dynamically scale a job up or down. Even when a node fails, stream data is automatically redistributed among the remaining nodes if the data is fault tolerant. Let's try scaling one of our jobs now. If the job we submitted in the previous section is not currently running, submit it again to a running node and check to see if it's running in a new terminal window. You can either go to the Hazelcast package and copy and paste the line here into the command line, or check with Docker and copy and paste the line here into wherever in the terminal. Keep in mind though that you must have started a Hazelcast node through Docker to check the state with Docker. Hazelcast also keeps track of how many nodes are currently being run, and each instance will automatically update accordingly. Right now we have one node running here, but if we started a new node in a new terminal window and waited a little for it to boot up, we can see here that there will be two members of the cluster instead of one. Right here. The job is only being run on one of the nodes, but that's because we haven't specified any data rebalancing among the nodes. If the data was rebalanced, each node would be processing the data from the program, allowing for higher throughput and lower latency. Now, if we terminate one node and look back at the cluster size, we should see that it's been updated. And that's all you have to do. As you can see, scaling a job is actually very easy to do with Hazelcast. Thank you for watching.